Hi Andy, నేను మీ ప్రియాంక. Welcome to Learning Lens channel. Today we will discuss level 2 problems in coordinate geometry. So what we need to find here, for this figure we need to find the area of triangle ABC. So first of all look at the coordinates. What is given? A point A x1 comma y1. B is 0 comma y2. C is 0 comma 0. Here both y1 and y2 are same only. Okay. Let y1 is equal to y2 is equal to a. Why? Because observe the figure. Here x value is only changing. X is moving from here to here. But y value is constantly staying here only. So y1 and y2 are both same only. That is a only. So x value is changing from here to here. So only x value changes but y value does not change. Now what is the area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC. 1 by 2 mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, what is the value of x1? What is the value of x1? Here, let us assume as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So what is the value of x1? X1 only. y2, y2. What is y3 is 0. Plus what is the value of x2? 0. Anything into 0 is 0 only. So no need to write that. What is the value of x3? 0. So anything into 0 is 0. So no need to write that part also. 1 by 2 into x1 y2. Mod of 1 by 2 x1 into y2. Understand?